We've established from the conceptual understanding that percent represents out of 100. So for example, 40% is the same as 40 out of 100. This can be represented as a fraction. This is 40 out of 100. This is how to convert percentage into a fraction. The percent over 100. Now we have the percent represented as a fraction, we must check if we can simplify the fraction. We simplify by checking what same factor the numerator and denominator can be divided by. 40 and 100 can be divided by the factor of 10, giving us 4 over 10. 4 and 10 can further be divided by the factor 2 to give us 2 over 5. 2 and 5 have no other factors except for 1, therefore 2 over 5 is 40% simplified. Pause and try this question. How about a decimal percentage, such as 2.5%? We apply the same process, 2.5 out of 100. However, this is not a simplified fraction as we need whole numbers in the numerator and denominator to classify a fraction being simplified. So the question is, how do we change the decimal into a whole number and also ensure the fraction is still equivalent? We can multiply 2.5 by 10, giving us 25. To maintain the equivalent fraction, the denominator must also be multiplied by 10. This gives us 1000 in the denominator and a fraction of 25 over 1000. We can now simplify by finding a common factor of both numbers. What can 25 and 1000 be divided by? They can both be divided by 5. This gives us the fraction 5 out of 200. 5 and 200 can further be divided by 5 again to give us the fraction 1 over 40. 1 over 40 have no other common factors except for 1, so 2.5% is equal to 1 over 40. Pause and try this question. We now have to convert 2.9 into a decimal. We do this by dividing 2 by 9. Using the bus stop method, 9 is too large and can't fit into 2. The 2 gets carried over to the placeholder. 9 into 20 is 2, remainder 2, and so on. Therefore, the answer is 0.2 recurring. We take the same process with 1 over 9 and end up with 0.1 recurring. So without doing a calculation, what would 7 over 9 equal to as a decimal? It would be 0.7 recurring. Converting these decimals into percentages, we can see these fractions are the same as these decimals. With that known, what would be the fraction of 88.8 recurring percent? Or 66.6 recurring percent? The answer would be 8 over 9 and 6 over 9. Can we simplify 6 over 9? Yes, we can. 6 and 9 can be divided by 3, simplifying to 2 over 3. To summarize, to change a percentage into a fraction, write the fraction as the percentage over 100. Simplify until there are no more common factors of the numerator and denominator. If the percentage has decimals, write the percentage over 100. Then multiply the numerator and denominator by tens until there are only whole numbers. Then simplify by dividing them by the same factors until you can't simplify no more.